Hey, future developers! Stuck between React.js and React Native? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. React.js is a JavaScript library for building web applications. It's perfect if you want to create fast, interactive websites. With React.js, you can build components that update in real time, making your web apps super responsive. Benefits? It's great for SEO, has a large community, and is backed by Facebook. Plus, if you know JavaScript, you're already halfway there. But it's limited to web apps only. No mobile apps here. And sometimes setting up the environment can be a bit tricky. Now React Native, it lets you build mobile apps for iOS and Android with a single code base. Pretty cool, right? Your app will feel native, just like it was built specifically for each platform. Benefits? Faster development, reusable code, and a native feel. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Disadvantages? It's not ideal for complex animations, and might require native code knowledge for some features. So, what's the verdict? If you're an intermediate developer, start with React.js. Master web development, get comfortable with components, and then transition to React Native for mobile apps. Mastering React.js sets a solid foundation for your career. Ready to dive in? Hit that like button and subscribe for more dev tips. See you in the next video. Happy coding!